New just listed home, 10116, Tulip Street North number 10116, Pinellas Park, Florida by Maria Mitchell from the Military Veteran Team. This 2-bedroom, 1-bath villa in the 55-plus Springwood Villas community offers comfort and carefree living. Well maintained by the same owner for 26 years, it features a spacious living and dining area that flows into a versatile bonus room, ideal for an office or craft space. Recent updates include a 2021 AC and a 2022 roof. The kitchen includes ample cabinetry, a large pantry, and a gas range. Enjoy resort-style amenities like a heated pool, sauna, clubhouse, and more. Conveniently located near dining, shopping, and Gulf Beaches, this is retirement living at its best.
Buy or sell with us and move for free in Pinellas County. Google Military Veteran Realtor Team and see why we're #1 on Google.